You used to wake up feeling strong, alive, and ready to take on the day. But now, mornings feel soft, sluggish, and disconnected. And before you blame age, let me tell you something important. It's not just time catching up with you. It's your body quietly losing its nighttime repair code. You can take magnesium all you want, but if two key vitamins are missing from your nightly routine, your body simply can't fix itself. That's why so many men over 60 feel tired, drained, and like the man they used to be is slipping away. Tonight, I'm going to show you a small, 1-minute bedtime habit that can completely reset your energy, restore blood flow, and even revive confidence in the bedroom. No medications, no stimulants, just your body doing what it was designed to do naturally. But first, hit that like button, leave a comment below, where are you watching from, and subscribe so you never miss these life-changing tips. Most men think losing morning energy, soft erections, or sluggishness is simply aging. Here's the truth. Your body isn't broken. It's just missing the right signals at the right time. Magnesium alone won't fix circulation, rebalance hormones, or reactivate your repair genes. That's because it's not just what you take, it's when and how your body uses it. Without the right support, your sleep, blood flow, and hormonal repair processes stall. You might be sleeping 8 hours, but you wake up exhausted, foggy, and disconnected. Hi, I'm Dr. Jocelyn, urologist, and for the past 5 years, I've helped men in their 50s, 60s, and 70s restore vitality without dependency on pills. I've seen it over and over. Men come to me frustrated after taking magnesium, multivitamins, or even expensive performance supplements, and nothing seems to change. Why? Because the real heroes of repair are vitamin D3 and K2. And when taken at night with magnesium glycinate, they become the conductors of your body's repair orchestra, restoring circulation, hormone balance, and energy while you sleep. Before I show you the solution, let's talk about the common mistakes that quietly rob men of vitality. 1. Taking magnesium at the wrong time. Magnesium is a powerful mineral, but if you take it in the morning on an empty stomach or without its supporting vitamins, most of it passes through your system unused. It's like giving your body building blocks but no blueprint. 2. Ignoring vitamin D3. After 50, your skin produces far less D3, your blood vessels stiffen, nitric oxide production drops, and hormone receptors like testosterone become less responsive. Your energy, circulation, and even drive slow down. 3. Skipping vitamin K2. Without K2, calcium can settle in arteries and soft tissues instead of bones, making vessels stiff and reducing blood flow where you need it most. Many men overlook it entirely. 4. Taking vitamins at the wrong time. Most men take supplements in the morning when the body is in go mode, producing cortisol. Your repair systems sleep, then they aren't active. Nighttime is the window when D3, K2, and magnesium have maximum effect. 5. Ignoring lifestyle support. Late night heavy meals, blue light from screens, dehydration, or lack of calm before bed all sabotage your body's ability to repair. Even the best vitamins can't work against bad timing or lifestyle. Now, here's the step-by-step plan that takes less than a minute. Step 1. Dinner timing and composition. Finish dinner 2 to 3 hours before bed. Include protein, fish, eggs, legumes, colorful vegetables, and a small amount of healthy fats, olive oil, avocado, nuts. Avoid sugar, processed foods, and heavy meals late at night. Step 2. Nighttime vitamins. Vitamin D, 3, 5,000 IU. Vitamin K, 2, MK, 7, 90 to 180 mg. Magnesium glycinate, gentle absorption. Take them about an hour after dinner, with a small fat source for better absorption. Step 3. Prepare your body for repair. Dim the lights and disconnect from screens 30 minutes before bed. Gentle movement or stretching to relax muscles and open circulation. Deep nasal breathing to calm the nervous system. Step 4. Optional enhancements. Warm shower to trigger natural sleep signals. Small glass of water to stay hydrated. End the day with calm thoughts or gratitude journaling. This small ritual aligns your body's repair machinery with its natural circadian rhythm, allowing hormones to rebalance, arteries to relax, and circulation to flow freely, even down below where it matters most. I want you to hear this clearly. Your body isn't broken. It's simply out of sync. And once you provide the right signals, repair naturally begins. Men in their 60s and 70s who follow this routine notice Mornings feel lighter, stronger, and clearer. Circulation improves, including stamina and energy. Sleep quality is deeper and more restorative. Confidence quietly rebuilds. It's subtle at first, but the cumulative effect is remarkable. And the best part? No pills, no stimulants, just nature doing what it always intended. Tonight, set your vitamins on your bedside table, take a deep breath, and make this one promise to yourself: I'm giving my body the chance to heal and restore naturally. Consistency is the key. When you repeat this nightly, you'll notice subtle changes in just a few days. Better sleep, smoother mornings, and a quiet confidence that feels like youth returning. Your best years aren't behind you, they're waiting for you to wake them. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs this message. And I want to hear from you. What's your current nighttime routine? Have you noticed a difference with D3K2 or magnesium? Share in the comments. I read every one and answer the most common questions in future videos. Remember, this is biology working with you, not against you. Feed it wisely, rest deeply, and wake up stronger, clearer, and more confident every single morning. This is Dr. Jocelyn, reminding every man over 50, it's never too late to feel strong again. Good night, and I'll see you in the next video.